Hic. Whoa. Wait a second. Was that a hiccup? Or is there a tiny frog hiding in your throat? Frog face. Hic. Oh. There it is again. Have you ever been sitting quietly in class, trying to answer a question, when suddenly, hic, everyone turns around and looks at you? Embarrassing, right? Or maybe you're eating your favorite pizza, laughing with your friends, and out of nowhere, hic, a hiccup crashes the party. But why do hiccups happen? Why can't we stop them? And here's the biggest mystery of all. Why do scientists still not know exactly why humans get hiccups? Yep, you heard that right. Even some of the smartest scientists in the world are still trying to solve this tiny mystery. So grab your science goggles, little scientists, because today we're going on a hiccup hunting adventure. Imagine you've just come home from school and you're starving. You grab a slice of pizza and gobble it down. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Then you wash it down with a giant fizzy soda. Glug, glug, glug. Your tummy fills up with food, bubbles, and a little extra air. Everything seems perfectly normal, and then... hic. A wild hiccup appears. But where did it come from? Your throat? Nope. Your mouth? Nope. Your tummy? Not exactly. The real answer is hiding inside your chest. Deep inside your body is a very important muscle called the diaphragm. That's a big science word, so let's call it your breathing superhero. Superhero. Your breathing superhero helps you breathe every second of every day. When you breathe in, it moves down. When you breathe out, it moves back up. It works while you're awake. It works while you're sleeping. It never takes a day off. But sometimes your breathing superhero gets surprised. Maybe your tummy got too full. Maybe fizzy bubbles stretched your stomach. Maybe you swallowed too much air while eating too quickly, and when that happens, boing, your breathing superhero suddenly jumps. Scientists call this a spasm. I call it a surprise jump. The moment it jumps, air rushes into your lungs, whoosh. At the very same time, a tiny flap in your throat suddenly closes. Snap, and together they create that funny little sound. HIC, so that's the real science answer. A hiccup happens when your breathing muscle suddenly makes a surprise jump. Mystery solved? Well, not completely, because here's where things get really interesting. Scientists know exactly how hiccups happen, but they still don't know exactly why humans have hiccups in the first place. How crazy is that? We can build rockets. We can send astronauts into space so we can study dinosaurs, but a tiny hiccup is still a mystery. Now get ready for some amazing facts. Did you know babies get hiccups before they are even born? That's right. Doctors can actually see babies hiccuping inside their mommy's tummy during ultrasound scans. Imagine being so tiny that you haven't even entered the world yet, and you're already going. Hic, 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 amazing, but wait, here's something even many parents don't know. Scientists think those baby hiccups may help babies practice using the muscles they need for breathing after they are born. In other words, hiccups might actually be helping babies get ready for life outside the womb. How cool is that? And here's another fact many grown-ups don't know. Babies get hiccups much more than adults do. Some babies spend up to 15 minutes every single day hiccuping. That's a lot of hiccups, but we're still not done. Some scientists think hiccups may be millions of years old. They believe hiccups could be a leftover reflex from very ancient animals that lived long before humans. Imagine having something inside your body that might be older than dinosaurs. Now, let's have some fun. Did you know dogs get hiccups? Cats get hiccups too. Rabbits get hiccups. Even horses get hiccups. Looks like we're all members of the Hiccup Club. And here's another crazy fact. The longest hiccup attack ever recorded lasted nearly 68 years. Can you imagine trying to eat dinner, watch TV, play games, and go to sleep while saying HIC for decades? That would be exhausting. Now it's time for Myth Buster time. Many people believe that getting scared will instantly stop hiccups. Boo. Did it work? Maybe, maybe not. The truth is that most hiccups stop naturally all by themselves after a few minutes. Sometimes people think the scare worked when the hiccups were already about to disappear. So science says getting scared isn't a magical hiccup cure, and here's another myth. Some people think hiccups mean something is wrong with your body. Not true. Most hiccups are completely normal and happen to almost everyone. Now for today's amazing science fact. Every single hiccup involves teamwork between your brain, nerves, lungs, throat, and diaphragm. Tiny messages race through your body faster than you can blink, helping create one tiny little HIC. Who knew something so small could involve so many different body parts? That's amazing! And here's one final mystery for you to think about. Scientists still aren't completely sure why humans evolved hiccups in the first place. So the next time you get the hiccups, remember, you're experiencing one of the oldest and most mysterious reflexes in your entire body. How cool is that? So now you know why we get hiccups. Your breathing superhero makes a surprise jump. Air rushes into your lungs. A tiny flap in your throat closes, and out comes that funny little sound. HIC, one of the funniest mysteries in the human body. If you enjoyed today's science adventure, don't forget to subscribe to Super Simple Science Stories and join us for more amazing mysteries, mind-blowing facts, and fun science discoveries. Until next time, stay curious, little scientists.